Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, that Hurricane Delta that was headed straight for Pensacola area, now it's headed straight to Louisiana. It has shifted. We are out of the cone of uncertainty, and they say we should get winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour. That's nothing. We can handle that. I am glad it's shifted, but at the same time, I'm worried about the people in Louisiana, because they said it's going to be a major hurricane, possibly a Category 4. So y'all keep your prayers going for Louisiana. They're going to need it. Y'all, by now we've all heard President Trump has called off all stimulus talks until after the November 3rd election. Some people say that he did this as a negotiation tactic. He is trying to make it look like he's walking away from the deal just to get the other side to cave. Now, you do know he did have the book, The Art of the Deal. He's supposed to be the master of making deals. Let's see. This could be very true, but at the same time, it's a 50-50 shot of it going bad. When you play those kind of odds against the American people's future, the outcome normally is not good when you play that kind of ball. That's not very good odds at all when it comes to the American people and their livelihood, their lives, their homes, their cars, their jobs, their everything. It's not good odds to play like that. It is very likely that we will not see a stimulus deal for the rest of the month of October. We'll just have to wait and see. If the other side folds, it could happen real fast, but don't hold your breath on that. Trump said that Nancy Pelosi is asking for $2.4 trillion. That's not true. She's asking for $2.2 trillion. But she's asking for it to bail out poorly ran Democrat states. Money that is in no way related to COVID. If it's no way related to COVID, I understand that. But the thing about poorly run Democrat states, when did we become separated? Democrat states and Republican states. When did that take place? I thought we was all Americans. I thought this was America, not a country divided by states. Y'all, Trump goes on to say that we made a very generous offer of $1.6 trillion. And as usual, she is not negotiating in good faith. So he is rejecting their request and looking for the future of our country. He said that he told his representatives to stop negotiating until after the election, when immediately after he wins, he will pass a major stimulus bill. Trump's top aide said that Trump just picks up his phone randomly and starts tweeting away. Y'all, I know he is the president, but wouldn't you think that his tweets should be cleared before he tweets them out? I mean, we all know how hot-headed he is and how he talks before he thinks. Tweeting like that could be very dangerous to the American people, the security of America, everything. He should not be doing that. I really believe they should take his Twitter account away, just like they took Obama's BlackBerry away from him. Now, I mentioned Barack Obama a couple of times. Y'all, please don't think that I'm for Barack Obama. I did vote for him the first time he ran, but I didn't the second time. That's all I'm going to say about that. Donald Trump joined in on a phone call with Steve Mnuchin, Mark Meadows, and the Mooch Man. This is when he told them to stop all stimulus talks until the vote in November the 3rd. Y'all, I want to remind y'all to check out my books. They're in the links below, and also my self-publishing mastering course is in the links below. When you finish that course, and it will only take a week, maybe 2 weeks at the very longest to finish that course. It's a short course. It's 6 modules. When you finish that, you will have your own ebook published and making money. I can't promise how much money you're going to make. It's all up to if people wants to buy your book. But your first book, I will put it on my website, and I get a very lot of traffic on my website. I sell a lot of books, so you can have a book selling for you right away, and all the freebies that's in that course is worth more than the price of the course. So the price is $35. So y'all check it out. It's in the links below. Okay, now back to the stimulus stuff. Y'all, there is one thing that we know that Donald Trump did accomplish by doing this. He has now unified the Republicans in the Senate. Now they're all pissed off at Nancy Pelosi. Go figure. Congressman Smith said that Nancy Pelosi is doing a superb job at acting like she is trying to cooperate, and she should get an Emmy Award for it. I have to agree with him on that. Nancy Pelosi said that Donald Trump showed his true colors by putting himself first at the expense of the country. Don't you think that's what Nancy Pelosi's been doing for the past 6 months, putting her own wants before the needs of the American people? That's a little bit the pot calling the kettle black, ain't it? Y'all, Nancy Pelosi went on to say the American people are worth the full $2.2 trillion. Yes, we are. But, Nancy, the American people are now getting nothing because you do not know how to make a deal. Nancy, sweetheart, it's not all about you. It's about the American people that put you in office in the first place and afforded you the lifestyle that you have now. So thanks a lot, Nancy. Thanks a lot. Y'all, the reason Nancy is in a hurry, not in a hurry, to get a package passed is because she knows in November she is gone. She's out. It's done. Therefore, she's in no hurry. She has nothing to lose. She's already lost what she had. Y'all, we do need, I know I say this all the time, we need to vote them out of office. We need fresh blood in the office. We need to do something about term limits. You know, they will not let us vote on term limits because that's going to end the lifelong politicians, and they don't want that. So that vote will never come to us. We will never be able to vote on term limits. So we have to set term limits ourselves. The only way we can do that is vote them out of office after their second term. And if we don't vote them out of office after their second term, then it's our fault. The monkey's on our back then. Y'all, we have to take this country back. The country belongs to us. They work for us. We don't work for them. We're not their subjects. We won that war many years ago. Y'all, we will get out of this. God will see us through it. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up on the screen right now. And y'all say a prayer for Louisiana and anybody that's affected by this Hurricane Delta. It looks like we're going to miss it, but it's still a little early to tell for sure. But just say a prayer for everybody that's going to be impacted by it. They're going to need your prayers. We went through a Category 1 3 weeks ago. And it sat here on top of us so long, just tearing up everything. Category 1 is not that big of a deal, but the fact is it was just sitting here, just pounding away at everything. Pensacola got a bad brunt of it. I mean, we took it bad. We're still cleaning up from it. There's still boats way up into the land that was pushed out of the water. Big barges pushed out of the water. We have a 3-mile bridge over Pensacola Bay. It's a brand new bridge. They're still building it. They was doing so good, they was ahead of schedule. A barge broke away and ran into it. Now the bridge is closed and big, huge chunks is missing out of the bridge. All of that money's gone. We got hit hard, and it was a Category 1. This is going to be a Category 4, so please pray for Louisiana. Y'all, please check out my books in the links below. Check out my mastery course down there. And again, you will have a book making money for you at the end of the course, and it's just $35. Y'all check it out. If you think you want to do that, join it. And check out my books and the stun guns and stuff. And just know, I do love you all. And I will see you again this afternoon if anything happens, which I don't know if it will or not. I love you all. Ciao.